5 things women wish men knew about talking to them. Gentlemen, today we are cracking the ultimate code. What women really want from men when it comes to talking. And no, it's not about fancy words or solving all their problems. It's about connection, understanding, and a little finesse. By the end of this video, you will know the 5 things women wish you knew. And trust me, your conversations will never be the same. Why this matters? Here's the reality. Men and women often communicate differently. Men tend to focus on solution, logic, and fixing problems. Women often focus on feelings, connection, and being heard. This mismatch creates misunderstandings, frustrations, and sometimes awkward silences. The good news, once you understand the rules, you'll be able to talk to her like a pro. Listen, don't just hear. First thing every man should know. Stop trying to fix everything immediately. Women want to be heard, not immediately offer the solution. Nod, maintain eye contact, and acknowledge their feelings. For example, she says, I had a rough day. Don't reply with, well, you should do X. Instead, say, I hear you. That sounds frustrating. Gentlemen, listening is the ultimate power move. It's subtle, but she notices. Ask, don't assume. Don't guess what she wants. Don't assume you know. Ask questions like, do you want advice or just to vent? This shows attentiveness and respect for her emotional needs. Assumptions are the fastest way to misunderstand her and trigger frustration. Avoid over-explaining. Men love logic. Men love explanations. Men sometimes kill the vibe. Women want emotional connection first, not a dissertation. Keep it short, supportive, and empathetic. For example, she says, I'm stressed about work. Don't lecture on time management. Say, I get it. That sounds rough. Your words don't have to solve everything. Sometimes just being present is enough. Timing matters. Don't interrupt mid-story with your own advice. Wait until she finishes explaining. Gauge whether she just wants to talk or needs space. Gentlemen, think of it like playing emotional Tetris. Placement matters. Timing matters. Skill matters. Show empathy, not judgment. Avoid criticizing or judging her feelings. Acknowledge her emotions. Understand why that upsets you. Offer support without forcing solutions. Empathy is like emotional glue. It connects you, builds trust, and makes her feel safe. Common mistakes men make. Interrupting. Shows you're not fully listening. Overfixing. Solving problems too quickly. Kills connection. Minimizing her feelings. It is not a big deal is equal to relationship hazard. Avoid these and you will instantly upgrade your communication game. Practical tips for men. Mirror her tone and pace. Subtle mimicry equals to subconscious connection. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage conversations without interrogating. Take notes mentally. Remember her preferences, moods, and triggers. Be patient. Emotional processing takes time. Think of it like learning a language. Emotional fluency over time makes you a master communicator. Humor as a tool. Humor works wonders if used wisely. Light jokes can diffuse tension. Playful teasing can show attentiveness and charm, but don't overdo it. Timing is everything. When done right, she laughs, feels understood, and you look like a legend. Long-term strategy. Consistency. Show up emotionally, even during mundane talks. Observation. Notice changes in tone, body language, and word choice. Patience. Emotional depth. Develop over time. Humor plus empathy. Balance connection with lightness. Over time, you will notice fewer communications and more laughs, smiles, genuine connection. To recap, gentlemen, listen, don't just hear. Ask, don't assume. Avoid over-explaining. Timing matters. Show empathy, not judgment. Master these 5 things, and talking to her will stop being a minefield and start being fun, engaging, and rewarding. Confidence plus observation plus emotional intelligence equal to relationship superpower unlocked.